the actual production and the productivity is actually done side. And we see the graph between actual productivity versus actual production. And the performance factor is measured by the whole data we collected. The performance factor is actual productivity by planned productivity. This indicates what means and what they plan to deliver. That is this standard benchmark. But you can see up and down, sometimes it happens before, sometimes and the performance ability ratio and planned productivity versus average actual productivity. We see planned productivity is 100 and average is the average of the actual production. Average and the and this is the value we can performance ability ratio and workers hours we measure that the workers are 8 hours a day and 10 days 18 to 10 hours and quantity completed percentage completed equals to quantity completed planned quantity. This was the we calculate the total data and divided with planned quantity we get 8.2%. And work hours forecast, work hours to date per percentage completed you find it 81 hours to forecast next. And this is and then it's actually they are more focusing on value added only, but the considered time is wasted here. So much work is wasted on non-value added activities. So they have to implement further recalculations here. They are not.
We are focusing on 100 kg per day, like productivity. Production is 1500 kg per day. 100 kg per man day. This is productivity, planned productivity.
How are they calculating this?
They said like the person who architect. They are fixing like we asked like what is the planned productivity. They said. For man day we are focusing on 100 kg per day. That is plan.
Actually, that total reinforcement bar which they will consider. That time we divided with how many? I think they said 1000 kg one time. They said one time. With that we divided by 10. That takes 1.5 hours for one time fixing of steel. We divided by 10.
1 ton 60 fixing. How much time they are taking?
1.5 hours.
1.5.
7 to 7 minutes.
As per the 100 kg, it taking 7.5 minutes for like value added. If you take
You
4.
are not getting my point. You are saying 1500 kg. 1 kg का K कैपिटल नहीं होता है.
Okay.
kg का K स्मॉल होता है. ठीक है. दूसरा नहीं क्योंकि ये सब चीजें मैटर करती हैं. ये सब चीजों के लिए वहाँ पे कंपल्सरी पीएमपी ऑफिस में लिखा जाती है कि आपके प्रोफेसर पढ़ाते नहीं है और फिर वहाँ हमको बुलाया जाता है. 1500 kg per day plant production.
Yes.
Now you are saying reinforcement fixing. है ना? When you are fixing the reinforcement, what I could see was the beam and the slab, stirrups, main bars. So those bars are of different dimensions, length, diameter. How are you measuring that 1500 kg reinforcement in one day they are planning to fix?
We asked like what is the factor. They said 100 kg per man day. 100 kg.
So what if this input is wrong?
Because it is the activity which we can't measure like that.
Why not?
Because if it is in the 15th floor, they are like
You did not go for 5i. Say it is on the 15th floor, right? You have visited that?
Yes, yes.
You took photographs?
Yes.
So you could see the slab?
Yes.
You could see the beam?
Yes.
You could have asked that site engineer, how much slab will you cover in today? How much reinforcement you are going to cover today? What is the length of the beam? What is the width of the beam? What is the spacing of the stirrup? What is the diameter
that we divided with 100 kg.
So
this
1 ton steel in 1.5 hour. That they plan to fix. So we came up with 1 hour multiplied by 8 hours.
with that, we 7.5 cycle.
Like by deducting the non-value added time. Like
That also you deducted.
value added 7.5, non-value added 16 which gives 23.5 minutes per 100 kg. If you do 1500 kg production, then it will like
I am a site engineer and I am saying you this is the beam, this is the slab and we do 1500 1 ton in 1.5 hour. Now you get it. That is what he is saying now. 1 ton in 1.5 hour. And you have 8 hour working.
9 minutes. 9 minutes per 100 kg.
This is not about cycle time issue. This is about daily production I am asking.
But without cycle time, we cannot system.
What is the cycle time? The cycle time because fixing activity is so different. That the cycle time for each of the activity will be very different. Fixing slab reinforcement will be a different activity. Fixing beam stirrup will be a different activity. Placing the cover block will be a different activity. Isn't it? Cycle time will be taken for reinforcement bending. Isn't it? If there is a specific activity given. What I am asking you, how did you arrive at 1500 per day kg? That is not high.
actually like we didn't measure like manually. We just ask like what will be the like this. Actually they are maintaining all these records.
So they told you that 1 ton will take 1.5 hours. Then approximately you calculated. Out of 1500 you had the number of people in the group. So you calculated the productivity. You counted and you calculated productivity. Then this is cycle time thing na you are supposed to revisit. 23.5 minutes per 100 kg.
First,
This you are supposed to revisit.
This activity is non-value added very good.
What I would have done is, I visited, I was there for half hour, so I would have started the stopwatch, put something, I would have taken the video, observed the activity, 30 minutes I observed, these many people are standing idle, they are talking, they are moving, they are doing. That is what I have done. Because I know that there is no certain activity for which I can do the cycle time. So I would have taken a sample of what sample is that? I would have taken a sample of 30 minutes. Out of the 30 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes I would have BA and BA done. ठीक है? Go ahead. How many days you took the observation? अच्छा. अब यहाँ पे उसने बोला था कि plant production से actual production रोज के रोज ज़्यादा है? Not every day. Some days. And that number of people you calculated on day basis from their reports? Actual. And then you calculated the actual
They are
productivity.
maintaining more people.
And then you calculated this actual productivity. Production you
that
calculated.
mandate which consists of both unskilled and skilled number of labors consists of both.
So you want the data of actual production from the site.
Actual
This
product.
data you got from the site.
Actual from the like the sheet.
And number of labors you got from the
Yes,
site.
sir.
And then you calculated the actual productivity.
Yes, sir.
You yourself have done
Yes,
this.
Sorry, what you are asking.
You tell me how did you do this?
Like based on like we ask like what will the plan production?
100 is okay.
Like we are asking about actual productivity. We ask like what is the actual productivity? Like we said 100 na. On the particular day he said 110. Based on their requirement, they said actual production is 100 kg per day, which is not like dependent on labors. Like which is dependent on labors. This kg per man day actual productivity depends on number of labors. This consists of both.
If I divide 1589 by 14, will the answer be 110? Mallikarjun, come here. Day 1, actual production 1589. Number of labors,
14.
divide that kg by number of labors. Answer is 110.
Near to 1. Actually,
It should be like that.
from the waste we have.
It should be like that. वो हुआ ये है कि आपने उनसे प्रोडक्शन भी पूछ लिया,
Productivity.
प्रोडक्टिविटी भी पूछ लिया, नंबर ऑफ लेबर भी पूछ लिया, मिला होगा, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता। आगे कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं समझ में आएगा तो कैसे होगा? ठीक है, इसका कोई सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है। ठीक है, एनालिसिस ऑफ ट्रेड इज फॉर एक्चुअली पर वीक, यू हैव नॉट डन इट फॉर 2-3 वीक्स, so there is no
Only 10 days.
हाँ,
Very
so that you are supposed to make the graph. ठीक है, this is all based on your that and performance factor.
Like performance.
What is the significance of this performance factor?
Like performance factor gives the like what is the productivity compared to the plant productivity. Like if it gets more than one, like it is good.
Here we
For
start
the activity.
we standardize it.
Like
Here
for-
the big
What is the significance of PAR 0.97?
It's over average.
No, what is PAR?
Performance
Evaluation. 0.97. What does that mean?
Plan how much you are planning.
वो तो फॉर्मूला है।
That
फॉर्मूला तो लिखा है।
how much planning, how much doing.
It is a metric used to compare the what